Hello guys, in this session I'm going to give you a clear SAP BW tutorial. His SAP BW notions SAP Business Warehouse, and integrate the data from the different sources and transfer and consolidate the data. Does data cleaning and storing of data as well. It's also include the data modeling and administration and staging areas. Here SAP BW intelligence means it's analyzing and reporting of data from different heterogeneous data sources, and it allows us to acquire the data from multiple data sources, and data staging, which can be further distributed to different BI systems. And here BI systems can work as a target system for the data transfer, a resource system for distribute of data to different BI targets. Okay, this is a simple session that covered the basics of SAP business intelligence, a concept, and also it gives a how to handles in various other component. Okay, so let's start with the overview of the SAP BW. In this session, we'll get to understand the basic of SAP BW and SAP BI, how it has evolved and improved over the year. Okay, SAP here SAP BW and BI. SAP BI in a sense is business intelligence means it's analyzing and reporting of data from the different heterogeneous data sources. Okay, SAP BW means it integrate the data from the different data sources. Okay, and transform and consolidate the data, and does data cleaning and storing of data as well. It's also include the data modeling and administration and staging area. Okay, here, the data in SAP BW is managed with the help of the centralized tool that is known as a SAP BI administration workbench. Okay, here BI platform provide the infrastructures and functions which include the OLAP process and metadata repository and process designer and other functions. Okay, here the business bex, okay, is a reporting analyzing tool that support the query analyzing and reporting of functions in BI. Okay, using bex we can analyze the historical and current data to different degrees of analysis. Okay, here SAP BW is known as an open standard tool which allows you to extract the data from the different systems and send it to the BI. Okay, it's also evaluate the data which are different reporting tools, and we can distribute this to the other systems. Okay, this diagram shows the open board and standard based architecture of business intelligence. Here BI stand for BI business intelligence, and BW stand for business warehouse. Okay, in 1997 SAP had the first introduced the product of for reporting, analyzing, and data warehousing, and it was named as a business warehouse information system. Okay, later, the name was changed from the SAP BIW to SAP Business Warehouse. Okay. After SAP acquired the business object, the name of the product has been changed to the SAP BI. Okay. Okay. This is the one. Here, okay. This is the. One second. Okay. So data equations in SAP BI. SAP BI allows us to acquire the data from the multiple data sources. Okay, this is a multiple data sources that can be distributed to different BI system, and here business intelligence system can work as a target system for data transfer, or source system for distributions of data to different BI targets. Okay, here in this diagram, okay, we can see SAP BI sources systems along with the other systems as well. SAP sources, okay, SAP application, SAP ECC, and relational database like Oracle, SQL, and server, and flat file like Excel, Notepad, multi-dimensional source systems like Universe using the UDI connectors and web services that transfer the data to BI by means of push. Okay, so when we go to the SAP BI and administration workbench, okay, the source system is defined here. Okay, first we need to navigate the RSAI source system. Okay, here he this is the appearance we can see. And here the data source types. Okay, we can differentiate between the data source systems. Okay, and here data source for transactions data, data source for master data, data source for hierarchies, and data source for text, and data source for attributes. Okay, we can load the data from any sources in the data source structures into BI. Okay, within an info packages. Here, target systems where the data is to be loaded in different, here different, sorry. Okay, this info packages contains all the information how the data is loaded from the systems. Okay, uh, okay. Info package consists of the conditions for requesting the data from the source systems. Okay, here the one main important thing. hmm, by using info package in SAP BW, we can load the data from in a persistent staging area, and also it in the target from the source system. But if you are using the SAP BI, the data load should be restricted to PSA only for the latest version. Okay, this is the BI data flow. Okay, here BI content, the BI object consists of the this content, roles, web template, and queries, info providers, update rules, info source, transfer rules, info object, and data sources. Okay, now here BI objects divided into the multiple BI content area so that they can be used in the efficiency. Okay, this include the content area from all the key modules in an organization, which include SCM, CRM, HR, finance management, and product lifecycle, industry solutions, and SAP data sources. Okay, okay, guys, this is the content for this sessions. If you like my session, please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.